Hi, I'm Kelly Solberg with the Kelly Solberg Real Estate Team, and I'm very excited to welcome you today to our newest listing here, right in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Cupertino and truly in all of the Silicon Valley. Come on in, let's take a look. With the award-winning Cupertino Public School District, the proximity to downtown Cupertino and Sunnyvale, and also just the access to all of our public trails, parks, and shopping, this home is truly a gem. Come by and take a look.